ka nimar I don't en gimo kubedo it is by design momiyo gigi osebedo katimore kama but walemo ni one of the reasons and iluongo ne objectives momiyo ne waluongo godo bura ma Justice Lenawala ne wuoye was to push publicly mondo wa drill the political goodwill nikech ka ji onindo to gik makamage timore to with this pressure now winjo ka the deputy president no wuoyo president Wenyoro no rumoge the fourth president that was one of the things manage discuss na some both their briefs president no acknowledge ni one the current president no acknowledge ni man was one of the issues mag discuss the former president no watch ni man no gi manage watch the country cannot be a situation where we do not have electoral governing body in place apparently with that pressure now I can say ne ko biru sustained maber hashtag IEBC not blah 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 and gadir in social media and everywhere wabiro bedo gi the commission moving forward by 25th January
Guinean by design kosona